Okay, so in our previous lecture, we did a front view for the bed from sort of an isometric view for the bedroom. So I've got a chapter that I will be talking about image enhancement, but I want to, jump into it a little earlier because I want to give you a perspective on what you guys can do in your workflow. So for an instance, here I've got the rendering that I have, okay, and I want to somehow make Flux give me a better result already, right? Because we all agreed that when we zoom to a certain limit, it starts to pixelate, even though it's like a 1.5 something megabyte image, even here. So I can do either or. I can enhance the original image and generate the new one with an enhanced result. Or I can take the enhanced result one. I can take the one that is generated and enhance its result. So let's see together. I've got a website here that is called Krea.ai, and it's pretty famous in the AI websites out there. So we need to do an account in Krea, and Krea is considered somewhat a free website because it has a subscription, but it gives you a lot of opportunities to be able to test with so many features before you decide to subscribe to this software. So I need to sign in from here. So I'll do logout for you guys to see how you can create an account. So you can do a sign up. And when you do a sign up, it's going to ask you for your email. It's going to ask you for a password, and it will ask you for a verification at best. And you can come back with the code, and then you are already created an account. But we'll do a login for now. And I'm just going to log in with my email, and it's already has saved the password, and maybe it's going to ask me for some verification here, and I'm already logged into Krea. So this is the main interface of Krea. It has so many products. The one that we will be using is Enhancer. So we'll open the Enhancer from here. And I've got the history that I've done already, some tools on the image, if you want to do a video enhancement, if you want to do real-time edit, and if you want to check assets. And here it tells you upscale and generate new details for images up to 22K. That's a huge number. And videos up to 8K. That's also a huge number. And you guys need to consider that you need to subscribe to be able to get to these numbers. I'll do upload. And from Flux here, I'll go to interior angle and I'll choose the latest result that I was able to generate from Flux. And I'll do open. It's going to take some time. All right. And then here it gives me more things that I can control. So AI strength, resemblance, clarity, and sharpness. And the more I, play with these numbers, the more I'm going to get different results. And here I can type in some prompts to describe the image. So maybe I can get more accuracy. But what I will do for now is just enhance because the defaults are already great, and I will see what is the result that's going to come up with. And I'm really excited about this because Krea.ai is one of the really good websites that are free to use, and it can generate really, really good quality renderings, especially if I want to enhance them. So let's see what can happen now. Great. So it has already enhanced the image, and it gives me somehow a before and after, and you guys can already see the result. There you go. So now the result is much better here. This one looks pixelated compared to the new one, even the greenery. Look at the greenery here. It's really awesome, guys. I even love the rug, the details. It's really cool. Really, really cool. So now I can consider that this is the final output image, for example, for the one that is generated from um, Flux. So I can take the edited one from Flux, put it in Krea, and now I can download my rendering, and I can take this image, Control X, and I want to go to where I have my course, and I'll go to flux, interior angles, and I'll do Control V here. But what I will do is I'll do 0, 3, and then I'll do here underscore enhanced. So you see how my image is evolving the more I'm adding prompts. So here I ask for preserve the details. Therefore, I got a preserved details shot. And now I've enhanced this shot to make it really stand out as an ultra realistic rendering. So all of this combined, guys, can give us the work that can save for tens of hours, literally tens of hours with no joke. I hope you guys benefit from this lecture. See you guys in the next one.